Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you the room tour of Grand Mercure in Bana Hills. Now the room that you're going to see is a deluxe king room, and I'm one of the Accor Plus member, and which is why they upgraded me to this room. And you can see that it's a privilege room. Now each room is given a certain theme. Now the theme of this room was Victor Hugo, and all these themes are based on famous French people. And if you're not already aware, to just reach this hotel we had to take the cable car, which is almost a 20-minute cable car ride right from the Sunworld Bana Hills to the top. Now, when you're an Accor Plus member, you get a special invite note. You also have a separate check-in counter, so you're not going to check in with the rest of the people who are in. And you can see it's a separate welcome note, and what you get is a VIP breakfast vouchers as well as free drinks for every day of your stay. Also complimentary cake, and because we are Accor Plus members, we got this separate room as well. And wait till the big thing in this room, that is the balcony outside, and it's just amazing. This is how our room looks at night. So we are in the Victor Hugo room. You can see his big portrait is here, and it's also his achievements and his life story here. But one very interesting thing I found later in the evening today, which I didn't really show in my video when I was taking the room tour, is that if you switch on the TV, okay, you're greeted by the Accor Plus screen here, okay. But now if you go to the home, I mean, they literally have our names on television. They literally have our names.